So, is Lyft going from heat zones to sticky surge? Hmm, stick around. Let's talk about it. Thanks for sticking around. So, Lyft is in the test phase of something I think is pretty cool. Sticky surge. Yes, sticky surge. If you're used to driving on Lyft and you know how their heat maps work and their little storm clouds or whatever, you get into an area and it's usually a square and then another square outside of it. One will be purple and have, $5 or $3 surge, and in the red area, it's maybe $7 or $8 or even higher. It just varies on the surge. And when you get into the red square, the amount of surge actually goes up 2, 3, 5, and sometimes even 10 cents every 5 seconds until you get a call. What they're testing now is sticky surge. And from what I understand, they're testing it in Nashville, they're testing it in Florida, and they're testing it in San Diego, California. I haven't heard anything more than basically just that. It's in a test phase, but this is what it looks like. I personally like the sticky surge, or the dollar amounts if it is a sticky surge, more than I like their heat maps. Every Lyft driver, every Uber driver hates chasing storm clouds. So it looks like Lyft might be implementing a sticky surge. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. You saw the picture, so tell me what you think. Would you rather have the heat maps with the storm clouds, or would you rather see a sticky surge on Lyft? Leave your comments below, and until next time, be safe, be professional, keep it real, and as always, if you must, drive on. Until next time, I wish you all the best of health.